Hello friends of YouTube, Facebook, CJ2A page, wherever else this might end up. The Jeep is just not running right, and I'm kind of at a loss as to why. It's kind of sputtering and missing a little bit, but it'll recover for the most part, just like right there. We're up to temperature, been over 14 volts. You know, oil pressure is about 15, 18, but you give it the rev and it'll go up, 45, 50 psi. I'm kind of at a loss to figure out what's going on here. The alternator is definitely charging right now. It's a new coil, new distributor, new cap and rotor, new wires, new plugs. Heck, it's a new carburetor. It's Joe's Motor Pool stuff. I kind of spared no expense trying to get it back to a somewhat dependable state. Plenty of fuel in the filter. So I really don't understand why it's sputtering like this. It doesn't make a lot of sense. One thing is I need to pull the oil pump and clock at 180 degrees so that distributor will be aiming the right direction. But other than that, I've gone through everything, all new wiring. It's all there, it all works. But it keeps just coughing and sputtering on me and sometimes dying on me. And I'm at a loss to understand why. I've done the ignition timing. I can't remember how many degrees it is, but I put a vacuum tester on it, or vacuum gauge on it, and that got me dialed in. The idle's pretty well dialed at this point. So I'm really just at a loss. So if you guys have any ideas, let me know in the comments, because I would greatly appreciate it.